Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves here again. So as you can see from the title, today I'm bringing to you one of my favorite oils. This is both great for the hair and the skin. I'm talking about the aloe vera oil. Without wasting time, let's just get started. So I've got my aloe vera here. As you can see, this is frozen because this is how I preserve it. If you've not seen my video on how to preserve aloe vera gel during the winter, you can check it out in the description box. I'll just allow this to thaw and we can go ahead and start making the oil. So it has thawed. I'll just go ahead and cut them into very small pieces. I'll get a non-stick frying pan and I'll put my aloe vera into it. I'll come in with some extra virgin olive oil. You can use coconut oil if that's what you have, but I must say I love olive oil, especially if I'll have to use it in my hair. So I'll put this on very low fire and heat it up. I'll go ahead and give it occasional mixes. So I'll let this cook for about 20 to 30 minutes on extremely low fire. So as you can see, it is ready. I'll just put off the fire and let it cool down. With the help of a strainer and a funnel, I'll transfer the oil into a little bottle. Now this aloe vera oil over here has so many great benefits. If you want to get rid of suntan, acne marks or age spot, you can put a little bit of this on your face, massage it into your skin straight after shower. This is also very great for hair growth. If you've got bald spots, if you have hair loss, if you've got alopecia, you can massage a little bit of this oil on the affected area. You can also use it as an everyday facial oil or an everyday hair oil. I must say it's especially good for the scalp. Aloe vera has so many great properties, especially when it comes to skin and hair. I hope I did help you. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.